Hello, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically fill hundreds of thousands of rows in a series at once in Excel. It's only going to take us a couple of seconds. So let's start off and enter 1 in our cell. And the next thing we do is go to the editing tab and the fill option, and let's look at series. So here we have a few options. We can fill rows, we can fill columns, we can use a linear, and let's say we want to choose to fill down a column with a step value of 2, so each cell will increment by 1, a step value of 1, so each cell will increment by 1, and let's put that up to 200,000. Let's hit OK. And let's hit control down, and there we have really quickly inserted 200,000 in from 1 to 200,000 into Excel. Let's just go back to the start. Okay, let's try another one, and let's start at 0 and go to fill again, and let's increment or step value and up to 150,000. Right, let's check that. There we go. We've inserted really quickly in a few seconds 150,000. Let's clear those cells and let's try again and go across the row, and we'll start at 1 with a step value of 1, and let's go to 20 just to keep it on the screen. There we go. We've gone all the way along to 20. Just in a couple of seconds. Let's try a date. Please go to series. We're going to fill down the column per day, and let's look at the 28th of February 2022. Let's hit OK, and there we have it. Our dates inserted really quickly within a matter of seconds into our column. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. How to fill literally hundreds of thousands, if not 1 million rows in a data series all at once in Excel. If you enjoyed the video, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. If you want to check out some more videos, click here and here, and I'll see you next time.